Now that we have our welt pockets put together and our ties ready, we want to attach them to the vest front and back. And the vest front pattern, you can see that little box right down there. That's what we're going to use to mark. And we're going to do pin marking again. And we found out through doing this exactly where we need to do this. We're going to use the bottom corner as a marking point. And I'm going to turn it over and put another pin through the other side so I have both sides of the vest marked. And then I will pop off my pattern. And very carefully pull my two pieces apart. And I do have a pin on both sides, as you can see. And I'm going to take that basted line and I'm going to put that right at the spot where the pins are, right there. This is a little bit different, so I'll show you this in just a second. And that's where the gets pinned. To mark the spot for the ties on the back, we have two marks right here, and we're going to put a pin through there and there. Pin through. And then we have the spot marked for our ties. And we're going to put a tie on the left side and the right side. Now, remember that you want the seam on the bottom, and you just put your tie along the edge of the seam right there and pin it down. And you do the same thing with the second tie on the other side. And those two pins are just temporary marks to show us where to put our ties. And then we are going to sew on the welt pocket and baste on the ties in the next step.